Hare Krishna. This is Sanjay Pitadas. Today I am here. That means it's a glorious place, holy place, the birthplace of His Holiness Bhakti Swami Maharaj. I am his disciple. I'm very proud to be his spiritual son. So today you can see the place where I'm standing. This is the place where His Holiness Bhakti Swami Maharaj was born. Oh my God. I'm really happy to be here. My life has been successful. Okay, those who are the disciple of His Holiness Bhakti Swami Maharaj and other followers of His Holiness Bhakti Swami Maharaj. And he is a great Vaishnava. So that's why please come and visit this place. Those who are living in Bangladesh, we are welcoming you. Please come. This is a place that means where it is situated. It is situated in Bangladesh. That means the district is Brahmanbaria and the village is Kuti. So you can come over here. You're all the time welcome. So the devotees, the follower of His Holiness Bhakti Swami Maharaj, please come here. So it's nice. This is the place again. I'm telling. We're very happy to be here. So those who are living outside Australia, USA, India, and some other parts of the world, if you have the chance, you can come Bangladesh. We're welcoming you all. We have got ISKCON temple here. Beside the place. If you come here, we will arrange everything for you. You'll get the prasadam. You can dance down there. You can sing a bhajan. All those things, all the arrangement here. So please come here. We'd like to welcome you again. If you come here, your life will be successful. What a glorious man we have got as a guru. Thank you very much for